A man buys 25 chairs for rupees 375 and sells them at a profit equal to the selling price of 5 chairs. What is the selling price of one chair? Let's assume the selling price of one chair as rupees X. Now, cost price of 25 chairs is given to us as rupees 375. Now, as per our first assumption, selling price of 25 chairs will be equal to 25x. Now, profit is mentioned here in this transaction as selling price of 5 chairs. So therefore, that will be 5x. Now, the general basic formula for profit is selling price minus cost price. So therefore, we can say that 5x is equal to 25x minus 375. So therefore, the equation will become 20x is equal to 375. So x is equal to 375 upon 20, which comes out to be 18.75. So that's the selling price of one chair. That is our answer.